Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. May I have your name and passport, please?
Of course, here is my passport.
Thank you. And your name, sir?
John Smith.
Perfect. Welcome to Grand Oak Hotel. Let me check your booking. Your booking is confirmed for 3 nights in a double room.
That is correct.
Excellent. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Thank you very much.
May I take your payment, please?
Yes, certainly.
Thank you. Payment approved.
Is Wi-Fi free in the hotel?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free in all rooms and public areas. What is the password? It is written on your keycard holder.
Excuse me, what floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 5th floor, room 512.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Is it buffet or set menu?
It is an international buffet.
Is there a swimming pool in the hotel?
Yes, we have a large outdoor swimming pool.
What time does it open?
It opens at 6 in the morning.
Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome. The hotel is very nice. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Hello, this is room 512. I have a small problem. The air conditioner is not working properly.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. We will send someone to fix it right away.
When can someone come? It's urgent. Also, could I please get 3 extra towels?
Of course, sir. I'll arrange that right away.
One more thing, I would like to order room service. A chicken sandwich and a bottle of water, please.
Certainly, sir. A chicken sandwich and a bottle of water. It will be up shortly. Certainly. Your room service will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Please call us if you need anything else. Welcome to the Grande Oak Restaurant.
Thank you. A table for 1, please.
Certainly. Right this way.
Thank you. Could you tell me today's specials?
Of course. I'd be happy to explain them. Our specials today are a fresh grilled sea bass with lemon herb sauce and a butternut squash ravioli.
That sounds wonderful.
The sea bass is served with roasted asparagus and wild rice.
Perfect. Is the seafood pasta spicy?
It's very mild, sir, with a light tomato basil sauce. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, sparkling water, please.
Thank you. Your meal will be ready shortly. I have the lobster. Excellent.
Wonderful, thank you.
Enjoy.
Hello. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's a perfect day for swimming.
Are you visiting from far away?
Yes, I'm from Canada. It's my first time here.
Canada? That's a long way. Welcome.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
Are you here for vacation or business?
I'm here for vacation with my family.
That sounds wonderful.
How long are you staying at the hotel?
I'm staying for 5 days. I really need a relaxing break. Do you like this city so far?
Yes, it's beautiful and very peaceful.
I agree. The beaches are amazing. My room number is 512.
Thank you. Please give me a moment.
Of course. My room number is 512.
Thank you. Please give me a moment.
Of course.
You stayed for 3 nights in a deluxe room.
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. How was your stay?
It was excellent, thank you.
Here is your bill, sir.
Does this include all charges?
Yes, everything is included. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by credit card.
Perfect, thank you. Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I had a wonderful stay. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this English learning journey. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful lessons. See you next time.